I can't f***ing believe that Chuckbird 36 AUTTP ATHDTC makes terrible content non-stop. Because he always record his comedy. What should I do with him? I know. I have an idea. I'm going to give Chuckbird 36 AUTTP ATHDTC a nosebleed. Why? Because I remember I gave somebody else a nosebleed but it wasn't released. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, hello Chuck.
Hello Chuckbird 36 AUTTP ATHDTC. I have something for you.
What is it?
Take this stupid head. You deserve it for making tons of terrible content. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god Chuck, how dare you give me a nosebleed? That's it. I'm telling your parents.
Oh crap.
Oh my god Chuckbird 36 ATHDTC. What happened to your nose?
Your stupid son gave me a nosebleed for no reason.
He did what? Oh my god. He's going to be grounded for this. Thank you for telling us. Go home and tell Earthgalameter 2008 to wipe your nose with a napkin. I'll be grounding Chuck right now.
Thanks.
Chuck, stupid idiot. What is wrong with your useless mind? How could you get Chuckbird 36 AUTTP a nosebleed? That was the worst thing you ever done to him. That's it. You're grounded for 10 years.
And for your punishment, we're going to send you to the WGBH Boston and BMD of Doom logo for the second time.
Oh no. I've been sent to the WGBH Boston and BND of Doom logos for the second time. This will be extremely scary.
What? That's so freaking scary.
I don't care. Go to your room and think about what you did.
What? I hate you so much, Dad. What?